We don't speak up for ourselves. We need to be standing front and center when budget issues come up. We need to raise our voice. If we don't, then we become the forgotten and the invisible. We need the local school boards to know that we deserve a living wage. We need them to know that we should receive adequate health benefits and should not have to worry about our jobs being outsourced to private contractors who do not care about our students, only about the profits. We know that all these issues have a direct impact on the quality of our schools and the quality of education that our students receive. We need to make sure that not only the local school boards, but politicians at every level, the local, the state, and the federal government, know us. We want them to hear us when we tell them that we have a stake in education and we want to be part of the discussions on educational issues. Whether the issues come for privatization or about reducing ESP work hours so that disqualify us from receiving health benefits. And not only do we want to be in on the discussions for our students and our schools to be successful, we need to be in those discussions. We need to be strong. We need to be strong in voice, strong in numbers. When we talk to politicians or school boards, we need them to speak from a voice, from a collective voice, not simply on our own. When our voices are small, no one listens. Or if they do listen, it is done to pacify us, not to create a lasting change. We are invisible. But when we stand together and speak with a united voice, then they hear us. Then they know who we are. They will then take notice. So I challenge everyone here to get involved by doing 3 things. First, make your voice heard. When you do that, we will no longer be invisible or the forgotten. Rather, we will become equal partners in the education system. And when our issues are fairly considered, it not only benefits ESPs, it benefits the students too. Second, do not let anyone tell you that the only thing the union association cares about is your salaries and your benefits. When you hear that, step up to them and look them in the eye and tell them that the working conditions of educators are the learning conditions of students. We can only recruit and retain outstanding ESPs with adequate salaries and benefits. And beyond that, the association is there to help create better teaching, learning, and working conditions. And that work only happens through bargaining, legislation, and many other avenues. The association is here to empower members to take the lead in all these areas so that we can continue working of helping our students be successful. Third, step up and step out of your comfort zone. Believe me, I know all about this because this is not my comfort zone. When we get comfortable, we get complacent. If we are complacent, then we will only get what we have now or less. And all too frequently, that is not enough for our schools.